Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today we are present this work study of clay microstructure. This work presents on the one hand the nano indentation, which is an original experimental technique to determine the nano indentation mechanical properties of material. On the other hand, the nano indentation by 2D numerical simulation were used to study the mechanical properties of ferrosilicates in order to be able to analyze the complex microstructure of clay. The simulation carried out using a model from Olive and Farr analysis of curve obtained by this simulation show good agreements with the experiment test. Nowadays, there are more and more industry using the valorization of the aluminum silicates in the various type of construction. The development of the concrete technologies have the positive impacts on the environment due to minimizing the consuming and natural resource and the durabilities. The process of the aluminum silicate waste valorization into conventional concrete manufacturing have many advantages, including maintaining the healthy environment in terms of recycling building waste, reducing the negative impacts of cement production, and preserving natural material. Understanding the deformation and mechanical properties of aluminum silicates at the nanoscale is critical for developing the best technique for valorization them in concrete. Nano indentation finite element model were used in this work in order to validate a model which we can investigate the deformation and behavior of aluminum silicates at small scales. Nano indentation description. Nano indentation, also known as depth sensing indentation, is a relatively recent technique that has been used to probe the very small volume to extract properties and mechanical response of material engineering, as shown in this figure. The experiment was performed with Berkovich and Donter type with load and loading rates and holding time and maximum length of 20 Newton. The measurements of the mechanical properties were evaluated according to method of Oliver and Farr, as shown. Regarding to the experiment where ordered Miskovich mecha sample grade were studied under nano indentation with the potassic underlayered cation. A two-dimensional axisymmetric finite element model was modeled with abacus into two parts, substrate and indentation. This table presents our results found. Elastic modulus for experiments at the same load is 58.3 for the experiments and 58.9 for the simulation. And we also see that our results is also in good agreement with literature results. As shown in this figure, the curve of load in the displacement load and the finite element model. The finite element model was used to simulate the whole process of nano indentation test. According to analysis data obtained from nano indentation simulation of ferrosilicates, the curve and value of elastic modulus obtained by Oliver and Farr from the simulation and the data obtained by experiments in concordant way in good agreement. The model is capable of simulation the loading and unloading stage of deformation behavior during the indentation process. The validation of this finite element model will allow us to obtain all the properties of single layer aluminum silicates and investigate their mechanism of deformation, anisotropic response, and indentation size effects in depth. An in-depth understanding of nanoscale physical and mechanical events is increasingly critical for understanding the mechanical properties of valorized material at various length scales, as well as the process and limit of valorization overall.